My name is Saad. For a long time, I did not value my time. I woke up late. I delayed my work. I spent hours on my phone. I told myself I will do it later. I still have time. I can start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Days passed, weeks passed, and I noticed something. I was not improving. My English was not getting better. My goals were not moving forward. I felt frustrated. One day, my teacher said something that made me think deeply. He said, "Time is the only thing you cannot get back." Those words stayed in my mind. That evening, I sat alone and thought about my daily routine. I realized I was wasting many hours on unimportant things, scrolling, watching random videos, delaying important work. The next day, I decided to make a small change. I created a simple plan. I gave time to important tasks first. Study, practice English, read. At first, it felt difficult. My mind wanted to go back to old habits, but I stayed consistent. I started waking up earlier. I reduced unnecessary distractions. I used my time more carefully. Days passed, weeks passed. Slowly, I noticed a change. I became more productive. My focus improved. My confidence increased because I respected my time. Now, I understand something clearly. Time is like a resource. If you use it wisely, it helps you grow. If you waste it, you lose opportunities. Today, I plan my day carefully. I still relax, I still enjoy, but I do not waste time without thinking because I know every minute matters. Final thought, respect your time. Use it for things that help you grow because time once lost never returns. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep using your time wisely, and always remember, respect your time and your future will respect you.